Okay. So all my dear students, what is the aim of the practical number one? So you have to write the first aim. Taste of presence of the taste presence of aim. You have to note down the aim first. Now all of you aim. Aim. You have to write with me the aim. All of you. What is the aim? Chalo. Now you have to note down with me the aim. Taste. Taste. Taste the presence. The presence of starch and protein. Presence of starch and protein in a food components. In the food, in the food items. Otherwise, you also mention over there items. Okay, means things. Got my point? Okay. So now, first of all, note down the aim. What is the aim? Experiment number one. Aim: taste the taste the presence of starch and protein in the food items. Okay. Now, which is the further step? Which is the next step, all of you?
Substance.
Substance. Okay, material apparatus, and then after substance will become. Okay, and that things we are going to be mentioned in where? That things we are going to be mentioned as like that in a chemical. Okay, so all my dear students, first of all, note down the aim. Chalo, Asaria, Zohar, Rabbar, beta, what is the aim? You have to release that aim.
Third, the presence of starch and protein in the food item.
Very good. Chalo, Zohar, Abbas, very good, beta. Chalo. So now done. So then after we will going to be move on further apparatus, then material. Okay. Then after you are telling me, we will going to be learn apparatus and material. Done all my dear students. Hello, all my dear students. I am waiting here. Done. Yes or no? At least you give the answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Then after the apparatus. Chalo, done. So test tube, test tube, and then after dropper, dropper, dropper. Then after forcep. Okay, I hope you all are know what is the meaning of that all things. forcep. पता है ना बेटा सबको ये चीज का ये कौन कौन सी चीज है? Understood now all of you all have
Sir,
known?
forceps means
What?
forceps.
FOR. Forcep means what? नहीं पता है आप लोगों को है forcep means. See, I'm drawing that forcep. This is a forcep. This is a forcep. आया बेटा समझ में सबको ये क्या है forcep है
What is this?
हैं? You don't understand what I drawn here. ये चिमटी जैसा होता है ना? You are called in Gujarati chipio. We hold something
Oh,
properly.
I get it.
हैं? Get it now?
Yes.
Okay, you know very well, all my dear students, the forcep. Okay, with the help of forcep, we hold easily. What we hold anything with the help of forcep.
Okay.
Understood? Okay, very good. Chalo, good question. Then after watch glass, watch glass. Test tube, proper forceps and watch class. Okay, all my dear students, this and all things we have to need it during this practical number one. Understood? Now we have to write this procedure. Okay, what? Sorry. Now we have to write the chemicals. Okay. Now all my dear students, note down this apparatus. Chemical or substance. In a substance, what you are going to be write, my dear students? Substance. Chalo, note down the substance, all of you. Which substance we are going to be using here? Okay, so here first we have to use here iodine solution. What we have to use here? Iodine solution. Then after copper sulfate. Which materials we have, which substance we have to use here? Iodine solution and iodine solution and iodine solution and uh, copper sulfate. Okay, that is the, both the name of the chemical. What that is the name of chemical? Got my points, all of you? Understood? आया बेटा सबको समझ में? चलो do it fast on my dear students. Query हो तो मुझे पूछ लेना ना instantly, all of you. Done. Now I am going to be write the procedure. Done beta. All of you done or still left? Hello. Hello, my dear, you have done or left? Give me answer. Asaria, Zaki,
Yes, sir.
but at least you give an answer. I am waiting for your answer here. Done, all of you? Now the note down the procedure. Procedure. What is the fourth point of the procedure? One more thing we have to write it here. You have to mention here materials. In the materials, okay, in the materials, bread, rice, means boiled rice, huh? Boiled rice, potato, potato, and beans. Otherwise, we have to use here the flour mill, potato. Otherwise, wheat flour. What my points, all of you? So note down these materials in your book, dear. Do fast. That things we are going to be apply in this experiment. Okay, ये सब चीज हमें एक्सपेरिमेंट में यूज करनी है. ओके, उन सब का टेस्ट करना है. इन ब्रेड व्हाट वी हैव टू टेस्ट कि ब्रेड में स्टार्च है, प्रोटीन है, बॉइल्ड राइस में स्टार्च प्रोटीन है, पोटैटो में starch protein hai and wheat flour, that all things we have to check here. Okay, but my points, now write the procedure with me, all of you. चलो लिखना स्टार्ट करो. ओके, take a test tube. Okay, okay, now all my dear students, only we note down the procedure here. Okay, what we are going to be note down here? Here you have to be note down the procedure. Then after we will going to be check. Okay, how we have to perform that experiment. Okay, so now I'm to showing the one video. That video you have to keep it in mind, and then after we will going to be write the procedure.
Okay.
So very good, all my dear students. Okay, so I'm presenting that video. Starch, protein, taste, and who will be going to be read that point? All of you, who will be going to be read that point?
أسأل يا أم فضل.
Yes, Fazil. My screen is visible, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Chalo.
Test of stat.
Listen carefully. Voice is coming, all of you. Yes, beta, you have to read it. Yes, beta, you have to read it. Asaria. Doha Fazil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, you have to read it. This. No, beta, your voice is not coming, Fazil. Yes, Zohar, beta, you can it. Continue. Okay, see here, take the plate. Okay, putting in the test tube. Okay, see the add the food few drops of the iodine solution with the help of dropper. Again, I am going to be repeat for you that taste. Okay, before we start our experiment to taste the presence of starch in food, let us the first understand what is starch. Okay, what we are going to be understand first. You have to idea. You have any idea, all my dear students, what is a starch? स्टार्च क्या है सबको पता है बेटा स्टार्च सबको पता है क्या है why we eat a starch see here starch is odorless tasteless white in color what starch is odorless tasteless white in color the major source of starch is what rice, corn, wheat, and potato. That is all the main source of starch. Again, I'm going to be repeat. सबसे ज्यादा स्टार्च का सोर्स कहाँ पर मिलता है हमें पोटैटो wheat corn and rice चलो very good then after now we check the experiment all of you सी क्या था वो? पुट द पेस्ट, विच पेस्ट थी? राइस की पेस्ट थी, राइस पाउडर और राइस
The
की पेस्ट थी। ओके, टेस्ट tube में ली, and then after what you have to observe, check it properly. Do it fast, all my dear students. Protein are large molecular consisting of amino acid which our bodies and the cells in our bodies needed to function properly. अपने बॉडीज के लिए प्रॉपर विटामिन चाहिए और विटामिन बनते हैं अमाइनो एसिड। See here, हमारी बॉडी के प्रॉपर सेल टिश्यू ऑर्गन्स कैन नॉट वर्क without the protein. The muscles, the skin, the bones, and many other parts in the human body contain a significant amount of protein. Means हमारे पूरे बॉडी को स्पेसिफिकली प्रॉपर सब पार्ट को प्रॉपर क्या चाहिए हमें? प्रोटीन। Each and every parts of our bodies wants a protein. Okay, what is the source of protein? Soya beans, carrots, beans, and groundnut. Again, I am going to be repeat for you, all of you. What is the major source of soya protein? So, major source of the protein is a soya bean, carrots. Okay, means oats. Then after beans and groundnuts. Okay, that is the all source of what, my dear students? That is the all source of protein.
protein.
Very good. वो तो वो सब क्या था? वेजिटेबल्स और ये एनिमल प्रोटीन। वो सब हमें कहाँ से मिलता था? वेजिटेबल, प्लांटेड प्रोटीन, प्लांट में से मिलता था। एंड दैट इज ऑल द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ द एनिमल ऑफ द प्रोटीन, एग, मिल्क, fish, and meat.
Me.
Okay, that is the animal protein source. The major source of animal protein is egg, fish, meat, and milk. Got my points? So let's understand that topic, all of you. Chalo. Now the taste the what? Means the beans. Beans की paste की milk को. What is the meaning of beans? Beans की paste ली, then put in the where? Test tube, and to add 2 drop of the copper sulfate solution. Okay, चलो चलो। So what you have to observe, all my dear students, आप लोगों ने ऑब्जर्व क्या किया? आप लोगों ने ऑब्जर्व क्या किया? ऑल ऑफ यू, व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व? पहले ब्राउन कलर था, and it will be a change in a purple color. Okay, so that purple color is indicate in that beans, the in beans the source of protein. Beans में प्रोटीन का सोर्स है, beans में प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट है। अंडरस्टूड? Now the sugar, not the proteins, react with the copper sulfate. Chalo, now the taste of fat. You know, all my dear students, fat. Before we started our experiment, taste of food. Food is that the first understand what is the fat. Understood, all my dear students? What are the major source of fat? See here. The major source of fat from plant. From plant oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, dry fruits. And then after, the major source obtained from the animal, butter, ghee and cheese. ये सब में से हमें क्या मिलता है? Fats. Okay, that is the source of, that is the source of what, all my dear students, obtained from the animal. ये animal में से मिलता है हमें butter, ghee and cheese. Very good. चलो. Now the taste of fat. हम लोग ने पेट्रियम प्लेट में क्या लिया? आलमंड एंड व्हाट? आलमंड के साथ क्या है? सी, दैट इज अ वेरी, होल्ड द पेपर एंड अगेंस्ट द लाइट. देखो आप सब लोग, इट्स ऑयली. ओके, नाउ वन मोर थिंग्स आई एम गोइंग टू बी टेलिंग यू. आप सब लोगों की जब ड्राइंग की एग्जाम होती है, otherwise you are going to be what, prepare the any drawing, so that time what you do, आपके सर पर तेल डाला हुआ होता है, and that oil is what, that oil is a coconut oil. So आप पेपर लेकर उसे हेड पर रब करते हो and वो पूरा पेपर ऑयल वाला हो जाता है. Okay, and that is the taste of fat. I am understand. That is the taste of fat. So understood, all of you? That is the taste of fat.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Chalo, now time is up, all my dear students. So we will going to be check in the next session. Okay, what we are going to be check in the next session? In the next session, we are going to be check procedure of that experiment. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आप सब लोगों को पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट लैब में कर लाइव दिखाने वाला हूँ. सो दोज स्टूडेंट्स आर इंटरेस्टेड, प्लीज जॉइन अ नेक्स्ट साइंस लैब lecture. Okay, now goodbye all my dear students. Have a nice day. Khuda Hafiz all. Goodbye all of you. Goodbye beta. Khuda Hafiz all.
This.
For what, recording is still going on.